Hi, I'm Paul Bonner, Service Advisor here at Conicelli Hyundai. This June, we're turning up the value on your vehicle's maintenance because your Hyundai deserves top-tier care without the high cost. Start with our oil change and tire rotation special for just $74.95. It's a simple service that protects your engine, extends tire life, and keeps your Hyundai road trip ready. Need more work done? No problem, we got you covered. With our Spend and Save coupon, you can get up to $150 off same-day service. The more you need, the more you save. Noticing squeaks, longer stops? Now's the time to replace those brakes. First, we'll do a brake inspection for you, no charge. Then, take $25 off front and/or rear brake service and stay safe behind the wheel. And for smoother rides and longer tire life, get a precise 4-wheel alignment, now $10 off. It's one of the smartest ways to protect your investment. Don't wait. These specials end at the end of the month. So schedule your visit now by calling 888-289-5948 or simply go online at conicelliservice.com. Conicelli Hyundai, a nice place to do business.